Drew Phillips here. Got my Colorado, got my hat on in support for Coach Prime in Colorado. Just want to give y'all an update on my NASCAR build. Hold on. So, got the small block 350 here. Took the old transmission off, right, which is the turbo 350, I believe. Take a look. And we're gonna take off the flywheel and put it on here, which is the 200 R4. That's the torque converter. Right. And this is the 64 Impala that is going in, right? So this is day 2. I plan to, oh my God, here comes a crazy person. Jesus. Okay.
Yeah, I know. Are you getting called from your friend?
Yeah.
Yeah. And up north?
No, just here.
Isn't it? Somebody telling you I'm a bad guy?
No.
I think we are. Black Speech?
No.
I bought Black Speech. That's not the computer guy. I was born away.
All right, man. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm scared on the street.
Man. Buddy say he's scared of black guys. I bet a black person ain't never touched him. Boy, oh wow. Don't ever let that nonsense get to y'all. Well, anyway, yeah, it's gonna give y'all an update. More about to go in here, right? So, just getting it ready now. Getting my dial in. Update to come later. But I'm chilling. Go Colorado. Peace.